Wakiri ura rungamirite antu bara bagwatikanire kiri mutino jwa bom jwa mwaka jwa 1998 norite mbunge Senate kwaraniria na ya nthiguru ya Amerika kenda Akenya bari wakiaria ari mbere ya kamiti ire kuthingatira untu bubu wakiri Philip Musolino na inyiritie kuinyiria nthiguru yu gukurukira mbunge ya Senate kenda ire ya Kenya akiuga kariba nthiguru ya Amerika bara bagwatikanire kiri mutino juu ni bararikirie kuriwa. Anthony Kathenya no ina report ije.
Akialia mbele ya kamiti ya bunge ya Senate ile kuthingatira kulewa kwa Kenya balaba inyirikire kuma na witho kiloba magaidi mwaka wa 1998 wakili ule letoka kakita kanene liwalongamirite Kenya baba kile gusele KIOTO kiao ndi Amerika Philip Musolino leo na ulite kamiti ya Senate gwikarandi na kuthithia walaniria na Senate ya Congress ya Amerika kende gwatambaru muswada ulole mbele yao kenda gakuga lolo watho blobu kuingira thirikari ya Amerika hetali anto kumandiji anja kile idukiro talele kulingana na wakili ojo muswada ojo getoka na wathubobo kuebua Akenya baba bainyirikite kwa kagita kanene kuma na idukiro lele bagatetheka.
The litigation that we think ties into the most important issue, which is our request for legislation to be passed in the U.S. Congress. Because without legislation in the U.S. Congress, these victims are not going to find the compensation that they're entitled to. And I can tell you now that the U.S. Congress doesn't listen to me. I'm just an American lawyer. They will listen to this committee, and they need to hear from this committee, because they haven't so far. And the time now could not be more right.
From your presentation, it appears to me there are two issues that you are emphasizing. One is the goodwill, the good relationship between Kenya and the United States, which in your view we should really take advantage of that and see how best we can utilize.
Wakili ojo akiongegela kuga ndi Amerika tibatele kutejania nto bala balinge kile idho kilo lele kerue kile thirikari Amerika na weta wakili hathitangire ndino nto bakulega kurutangugi ayo bula kwa batelie.
We sued the United States under a statute called the Federal Tort Claims Act because, in my strongly held view, and I say this as an American who is as patriotic as any American in the country and who believes strongly in the U.S., we were negligent. We were negligent in the year leading up to the bombing, and we were not responsive even after the bombing. We don't want to belabor that issue. Mistakes that were made in the past don't necessarily lead to the result we want in the future, but I think it's important for everyone to understand why we're looking to the U.S. to compensate my Kenyan clients and the other Kenyan victims.
Kamiti ya Senate mweri wa kenda ikilekela ndi Amerika kenda kwa lani thirikari ya ndino amwe na nyombe ya Congress kenda gutetheria Kenya baba kugwata KIOTO kiao.
I want to believe that as we go through this document, we will come and face the Senate of the U.S. fully equipped. And I know as a Senate of U.S., they are there to deliberate the issues of people. And America talks about human rights. And that is why I'm keeping on insisting that American government must walk the talk now and compensate these people so that they can at least live like people.
Senator wa kaunti ya Embu Alexander Monyi Mondigi na ule no mwa Senator baka mitino akiulegia thirikari ya Kenya kubagwa tambaru kile mubango juu.
Thirikari ya Kenya ya William Ruto ni sini ya transparent. Raisi na kwena ena akithia against. Toni twise ni mundu akwenda mundu wonde mundu kindo no mundu te kindo koguo automatically no ato support tuthuri tu bamwe tuthiete turi a thirikari ya Kenya kwanza. Koguo president dange na maruta macio ni MPC ngiye ya campaign waragia neta icio ni kuo kwithiriria ria ravitukire riu ni wauke kwa thori kwa neta icio na no ato watamberu na ni twise wanake athikure America no akana kwa lina ndwaria nigetha mundu wa Kenya kivoto giake tu kuonekana
kuma muji muneno na Nairobi. Mbeta Anthony Rangi wa Kathenya.